Hello everyone, Kate here, and today I'm going to be replicating a daytime makeup routine from the early 1930s. I will be following the instructions given in an article from the June issue of Photoplay Magazine, 1933. So, let's get started. Assuming that Maureen O'Sullivan has already applied a powder foundation, beginning with the above picture, she illustrates for you the 5 important successive steps in applying makeup. First, a blue eyeshadow is smoothed gently across her lids. Okay, as described in the article, I've already applied a powder foundation off camera. For the eyeshadow, I will be using my homemade 1930s style cream eyeshadow. I'll put a link in the description to my previous video in which I show you how to actually make this eyeshadow from scratch. Second, Maureen accents and extends the outer ends of her brows very lightly with a brown eyebrow pencil. Use a firm crayon with a fine point. My brows are a little less Greta Garbo and a little more Groucho Marx, but I'm going to try my best given my naturally bushy brows. I've actually tried the same technique on a friend who has very thin, delicate, sort of 1930s style brows, and it really does have a nice effect when done on somebody with the proper eyebrows. Just before we jump into the next step, I'm going to deviate a little from the original instructions and set my eye makeup with powder. The article doesn't state to do this, but I have read in another 1930s magazine to always set your eyeshadow with powder before applying mascara. Third, Maureen carefully accents and darkens her lashes with mascara, brushing the upper lashes upward and the lower lashes downward. For mascara, I'm going to be using a vintage style cake mascara. When using cake mascara, be careful not to add too much water, and maybe mix it a bit farther away from your face. I just splattered mascara all over my face. Yeah, let's just pretend those are freckles. Okay, that's good. Ooh. Fourth, Maureen smiles so that she may apply rouge to the full part of her cheeks, blending it lightly outward toward the temples. Fifth, after lipstick, the gentle nuances of color are tied together with a thorough, though delicate veil of powder. This article kind of skips over the whole lipstick step, so I'm just going to quickly apply a bright red lipstick before applying the face powder. Well, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!